Nike is once again pushing the limits of its most trend-driven sneakers, spotlighting the Air Force 1 Low Boucle as one of its boldest upcoming releases. Instead of relying on the usual boucle yarn aesthetic, this pair stands out with its distressed canvas base, creating a rugged yet stylish look that fits today's evolving sneaker trends. One of the biggest highlights is the unique beaded outline swoosh, an eye-catching twist that instantly sets this model apart from classic AF1 builds. The rosy accents on the laces and heel branding add soft contrast, while the speckled midsole brings a familiar Nike finish. With retailers listing a December 12 release and an expected retail price of $130, this Air Force 1 Boucle is already gaining attention from sneaker fans searching for something fresh, experimental, and highly wearable. Stay tuned as this colorway continues rising in hype and visibility across the sneaker community.